Well, hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Drone Effects with Claude. I would like to, from the bottom of my heart, thank everybody for helping me get to 1K. I have actually exceeded it. I am in a process right now of going through monetization requirements with YouTube. They are sorry about that. They are currently uh, reviewing my YouTube channel as well. So I just like to put this out there, and I personally like to thank everybody who come on my channel, friends as friends, and the new ones that will be here. So thank you very much for helping me get to this point. My channel's just beginning, guys. When we get 1K, it's got to go up. So I will keep pushing. I will get more videos in there, and I will do more live streaming as I can, of course. But I really appreciate every one of you guys for helping me on this amazing journey. Uh, I never thought I would get to this quick. I started pushing my channel in, I think it was March. I had 3 subscribers. I'm at 1,010 as of this recording. So that goes to show, if you guys want a good a YouTube channel, you got to work for it. I have like 7,500 view hours right now, and that's all thanks to everybody that would come in and listen to me, wander about my channel and about drones and everything else. But I really appreciate everybody that took the time to come to my channel and hit the red button. And as always, I try to do my best to connect back with people. If I miss somebody, I'm so sorry for the noises. If I miss somebody, I will personally go to your page and check it out. That's a promise from me. So that being said, thanks for the 1,000+ subs, and see you soon. Bye bye.